see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Sinasabi siya.
Happy birthday.
Bakit? Pag nagsindi ba ng kandila, birthday lang? Wait. Ang hirap naman kasi. Sindihan natin to. Si Holly, tingnan mo. It's my birthday na. Joking.
It's not your birthday, it's my birthday.
Ano? Sak is face na. Birthday daw ni Sak. Hindi. Nung 6 pa si Sak. Ayan. Sindihan natin to, guys. Ang bango niya. Kahit hindi pa siya naisindihan, ang bango-bango niya na.
Put that lid.
No, I cannot. Lagay ko daw tong lid. No, I'm not. Because the candle will die, Papa. Okay?
No.
You like it? Bango. Parating na sila dyan. Tsaka si TJ Sak from Adelaide. Bango? Bango, Baba. Daddy will love. Si Jan, gustong-gusto niya rin ang mga amoy ng ano. Mga scented na candles. Your what?
My walk.
Ayun yung sinampay ko. Magtutupi din ako kasi tapos na maglinis. Ang bilis matuyo ng mga sinampay ko kasi nga yung wood heater natin doon magaling siya. And yung box ko, wala pa. Hindi ko pa nalalagay yung mga ilalagay ko dyan. Kasi hindi pa ako tapos dinideclutter ko pa yung ano, yung aking closet. Tsaka ang dami pa. Basta. Ayan. Bango. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Guys, hi! Kararating lang nila galing Adelaide.
Mom!
And si Sak, ayan yung in-order ng daddy niya na golf stick na naayon sa kanyang height.
Mom, look, Mom!
Yes. Yes, Kuya.
Look!
Wait, Sak, Kuya first. Si Kuya, yan na yung member na siya sa Kiyonga. And is that a new one?
It's a new 3-wood because when it's not windy, I can use this. When it's not windy,
Oy, careful, Sak.
when it's not windy, I use this one.
Why you got orange?
Because
That one. How's the smell of the house, hon?
Oh, great.
Oh, great. Kasi di ba kanya sinindihan ko yung kandila.
windy,
Yeah.
I use this.
You use that one?
Yes. And when it's windy, I use this.
But
Sorry. Si Holly may pinapakita. Ayan, binigyan din siya. Binilan siya ng daddy niya. Ino-order yan. Hindi yan mabibili sa golf store.
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. Okay, show me.
You want to open?
It is a US Kids Golf. Ayan.
Take that off.
Wait, Baba. Let me show. So this is for Holly. Oh, it's light. It's light so, hon. Magaan siya compared doon sa yung golf. Can you show me the green one na? The old one? Your green one? The old one. The old stick. You know the pot? Kasi yung kay Kuya, yung green Kuya, the old one.
Oh, that was.
Yeah.
I'm just going inside to check where they put me.
Okay. See you later, honey.
What do you have?
Dad, what is the?
You said I'm not gonna cook.
I want something, noodles, something.
Yes, noodles.
Noodles sa kanila. Kasi tinanong ko siya kung anong lulutuin. Sabi niya, wag na. Maaga sila ngayon eh. Anong oras na? 4?
Not gonna hang down.
This is heavy. Very
Yeah, Holly, they can put the footy on.
footy. Wait. Later. Baba, bananas in pajamas, Kuya.
Bananas. After this, can I put up the footy on?
Yes, Daddy said. Nagkakagulo, oy. Kasi gusto nila Kuya manood ng footy. Siya naman gusto niya manood ng bananas in pajamas. Where's the stick, Kuya? The old stick.
Oh.
Sure. Okay. Yan. So, si Jan, inorderan si Holly nung sinukatan si Sak nung pagpunta namin last time sa Adelaide. Nakasama ako. Sinukatan si Sak sa Kiyonga ng golf stick na naayon sa height niya.
I got 12.
How many golf sticks do you have?
Oh, I don't know.
So, ayan. Ito yung kay Sak. Si Kuya binibilang niya. Nakita nyo na yan. Nasa Instagram din yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sa kanya. And maliit lang siya, oh. Magaan kasi to. As in, mas magaan siya dun sa mga dati nilang golf stick. Ito yung mga old nila. Nasa labas, yung Nike. So, ito, oh, ang bigat. Ang bigat.
No.
So, ito mga, okay lang. Hindi naman kasing bigat nun.
3, 4, 5.
Holly, show me yours. Ayan yung kay Holly. Hawak-hawak niya. Ayaw yung bitawan. Akin na. Let me see. Show to people. That's not blue. It's gray. Ah, it's black and white, Baba. Walang pink. Akala ko may pink. Walang pink. There's no pink. Gusto niya sana pink.
Yeah, it's here.
Eto, para yung sa grip to eh.
So this
Yeah, show. Let me show to the people, Baba. Come on, show me. Ayaw niya ipakita sa inyo. Eto, in order to ni Jam, para ba, ang tawag nun? Wait, Baba. You share. Ayan yung promise sa kanya ng daddy niya, Mentos. Wait, Baba, we're gonna remove this plastic.
no.
We're gonna look.
Maybe because she wants it you.
Ha?
Maybe she wants it shiny.
Ah, ayan, okay. Hindi siya yung, wait. Ayaw niyang pabuksan. Yes, Kuya.
12 golf sticks.
You got-
I'm nearly at the end. You need 14 golf sticks.
Ah,
You need a 3 iron, 5 iron, 4 iron.
so you need, when you're a bit bigger, you're gonna have another 2? 2 more?
No, 3 more.
Ah, 3 more. How about, Sak, how many yours? 1. Eto yung, what do you call this one? Kuya, what's this, Kuya? What's that for? Ah, speed stick. 1. No, that's not included, Sak. That's for practicing. Yeah, that's for practicing. Ang dami kong
That's 51 because he's not a 51.
tutupin ko yan mamaya. So, 1. No, this is not included for.
It has to be.
No, because that's only for practice. So, yun kay Kuya. So, how many, Kuya? 12.
Yes.
So, 12 pieces and makukumpleto na siya. Kasi hindi pa pwede sa kanya. Why you're not allowed with the 3 sticks yet?
Because I'm not old enough.
So, you only have 7. She's like 7.
10
Why only 7 for Zach?
because he's not old like me.
Okay. Oh, next. Yun, hindi ko rin alam, guys, kung bakit. Para sa akin, ang stick, pare-pareho lang sila sa akin. Dalawa lang. Yung isa pang, basta pare-pareho lang sila sa akin. Pero sa kanila, iba-iba yung drive. Kay Holly, ayun niya, Baba, can Mommy have a look? Thank you.
So you want to actually look what it feels like?
No, baka mati.
Mom, the band.
Yeah, it's all because this is hard. Ayan, this is for the grip. Ayan,
See, no.
How? Kuya, show me, Kuya.
See, like you put it like that, and finger goes there. See, and this thumb goes like that.
Let me see.
Here, like this.
Wait. Sa Kuya muna. So,
This, then the thumb goes like that.
oh, that's for practicing how you hold the golf stick, right?
Yeah,
Kasi tingnan niyo, Let me see, Kuya. Ayan.
Clubs.
Ayan
They
siya,
were testing.
Yeah, give me your
And that I got one like that, but now I don't.
Yeah, ayan, Kasi ito ang regular talaga. Pag marunong ka ng humawak ng golf stick, ganyan.
Please stop. Why?
Ayan, straight lang siya. Ito, may grip.
Oh.
Mayroon siyang, ayan, kung saan mo ilalagay yung thumb. Is this for the thumb? How you show it, Kuya? Show me here like this so they can see it. Show. Sorry, show. Put your hand. Like that. Okay, so ganon.
And
So this is for
that.
Holly to practice how to hold the golf stick.
Holly, you wanna
Don't open it yet, Baba, because
36?
let me see. There's 3 balls included. Ayan. Wait, Baba, we're gonna show people. Yard Club. So, ayan. US Kids Golf. So, hindi to mabibili sa golf store. Ino-order to at saka sinusukat yung height nila para sakto yung length ng mga golf sticks. So, yan. Say thank you. Thank you. How's your dinner with Tito Ray's and Tito Dan?
Good.
Good? Zach, how is it?
Good.
Good.
And Mom, the Bombers win.
The bombers win. Hoy, it's Tita Riz copying you, whatever you eat.
Mhm.
Did she eat it? It was fun.
Zach, this is you're like. Mom, there's something wrong with Zach's chipping.
Pink.
Mom,
What?
This pink.
Yeah, that's
did you
pink.
do it?
You share with Kuya. Share with Kuya.
Mom,
Oh, sorry.
there's
Yeah.
something wrong with Zach's peaching and chipping because
I don't
his
know
face
if
is
they miss
open.
Oh,
It goes out that way.
okay.
No.
Okay, say see ya na, guys. Thank you, say see ya.
See ya.
Kuya, say it properly.
See ya.
See ya. Holly, say see ya, people. Baba. Ayan yung pang, ayan yung speed. Oops! Kuya, watch for Holly, ha? I told you not. That's not for inside. Ayan, tuyo na yung aking, kahapon ko yan linabhan. Tuyo na sila.
Okay.
Yeah. Say bye now.
Mom.
Yes, Kuya. Ipakita nga natin na closer yung, mo.
I'm gonna need.
Ayan, member na siya ng Kiyonga Golf Club. Ayan. Ito
Turn
yung
around.
pinuntan din nila nung holidays. May 2 weeks holidays sila. Yes? Kiyonga Club. Kiyonga Golf Club. Tyron Howard. Ooh, ayan. Kiyonga Golf Club. Tyron Howard member. What's that, Kuya? You got a new one? Foot joint. What's that?
So
Is
I
that...
left the other one at home.
Oh, so you have to buy one. Why you have to buy one?
And when I got the pack, it came with this.
What's this?
You go like this to the green. And when the ball made a mark, when it got a dent in the green,
Green.
then you gotta go like that. Then you get the part of flatten it.
Okay. Let me see. Nakakatakot naman. Matalim siya. Hindi naman. Nagpa-flash na yung battery ko. Put it back there, Baba.
And
Oh, you got lots of tokens, Kuya. How many tokens you got, Zach?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
I got one more.
Oh, pakita niyo. Hurry up because my battery is almost...
I win one.
You
I
win?
win one from the because I win the course last week.
Okay.
I win.
Oh.
Because I came first.
Did you? Good job,
Because
Kuya.
I got 23.
Oh, nanalo daw
Mom,
siya.
I
Yes?
got a 23. This was like, it was 24 and I was 23. I just won.
This is how
Good job.
1, 2,
3,
4,
5.
5. How many yours, Kuya?
1, 2,
3. You got 5 as well. 5. Good job.
I had
Yeah, you got 5.
no.
Hanap pa siya ng isa.
I'm missing one.
It's alright.
I'm missing one.
Why?
I'm not. 6.
Oh, maybe it's in Mommy's car kasi gamit ko yung car ko.
Yeah.
Kasi ginamit nila yung car ko kasi pina-service ni Jan yung car kasi due na siya for service. So yung car ko ang ginamit nila. 5.
Just count it.
It's 5.
2, 3, 4, 5.
And there was one.
Oh no! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, Kuya. Okay, Stacey, how about you? How many tokens you have?
5.
5, 6.
No, 0.
Okay.
Oh no, 6.
6. You found it.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6. Oh, naupuan niya pala.
Mom, guess what's the best token?
Which one? The red? Because that's... Update lang sa aking decluttering dito sa walk-in closet namin. Yung kay Jan tapos ko na. And yung mga damit ko na, tanggal ko na. And guess what? Dito sa baba. Tadan! Ayan, ang dami pang kalat dito. Kasi yan, yung ilalim ng aking hangiran, nilalagyan ko ng mga damit. Tapos, ayan, sabon para sa balikbayan box. Kaya, ayan, ang dami ko pang gagawin. And dito, hindi ko pa yan naayos. And, ayan, ito yung mga... Bag niya raw yung hanger, guys. And, ayan, ito yung mga... Isusort out ko yung... Pipiliin ko lang yung talagang gagamitin ko. Kasi yung iba talaga, hindi ko naman sila nagagamit. Yes. And gabing-gabi na, 11 na, kaya nagyayaw na yun. That's not bag. That's a hanger, Baba. It is hanger, Baba. Yes. bag niya daw yan, guys. And eto, dito, kung maalala nyo, daming kalat yan dati. Natanggal ko na yung mga dyan. Minahulog lang na damit ko. Ayan. Ano? Ha? Okay, it's a bag. Okay, bag niya daw yan. Okay. Hanger nga. Alright. So, update ko na lang kayo pag eto talaga totally maayos na. Bag. Happy?
Happy?
Yeah, okay. Say, see you guys!
See you guys!
Ang lakas pa ng energy mo, ha? 11 o'clock na ng madaling araw, baba. Midnight.
Hi, Airport car.
Lalenya,
Nalenia,
Rakeno.
Ricano,
Aphoy, Venice.
Aqui, Venice.
Kathy, Ispidillion,
Kathy Ispidillion,
Roque.
Roque.
Rose, Polistico.
Rose Willistico.
Michelle,
Michelle,
Rimbonanza.
Rimbulanza. Don't forget about #ChonaAndMyKids for a share. Bye!